Have you ever looked up at the sky and watched a massive airplane soar through the air? It seems almost magical, doesn't it? How can something so heavy defy gravity and stay aloft, carrying hundreds of people and tons of cargo? The answer lies in the principles of flight, a fascinating interplay of forces and engineering. Since the dawn of time, humans have been mesmerized by the idea of flight. We've told stories of mythical beings with wings and invented contraptions trying to mimic birds. The dream of flying has always captivated us. Today we understand the science behind it, making air travel a common mode of transportation. Yet, the wonder remains. Understanding how airplanes fly opens up a world of appreciation for the ingenuity of engineering and the elegance of scientific principles. It allows us to see beyond the magic and appreciate the intricate dance of forces that make it all possible. The key to an airplane's ability to fly lies in a force called lift. Lift is the upward force that counteracts gravity, the force pulling everything towards the Earth. But how is this lift generated? Imagine holding your hand out of a moving car window and tilting it slightly upwards. The air pushes against your hand, forcing it upwards. This is similar to how an airplane's wings generate lift. The shape of the wing, called an airfoil, is crucial. It is curved on the upper surface and flatter on the lower surface. As the plane moves forward, air flows over and under the wing. The curved upper surface forces the air to travel a longer distance, thus faster, than the air flowing under the wing. This difference in airspeed creates a difference in air pressure. The faster moving air over the top of the wing creates lower pressure, while the slower moving air below creates higher pressure. This pressure difference generates lift, pushing the wing and therefore the airplane upwards. While lift counters gravity, thrust is the force that propels the airplane forward. This force is generated by the plane's engines. Think of a jet engine's powerful exhaust or the spinning propellers of a smaller aircraft. These engines provide the forward force needed to move the plane through the air. However, as the airplane moves forward, it encounters another force, drag. Drag is the air resistance that opposes the motion of the aircraft. It acts in the opposite direction to thrust and tries to slow the plane down. The shape of the airplane, the materials used in its construction, and even the air density affect drag. So we have a delicate balance of forces, lift opposing gravity and thrust opposing drag. For an airplane to fly level, lift must equal gravity and thrust must equal drag. During takeoff, thrust needs to be greater than drag to accelerate the plane, and lift greater than gravity to get the plane off the ground. Section 4. Parts of the plane. Working together in harmony. Now let's look at the main parts of an airplane and how they contribute to flight. The wings, as we discussed, generate lift. The engines, whether jet engines or propellers, provide the thrust. But what about the other parts? The cockpit, located at the front of the plane, houses the pilots and the controls for the aircraft. The pilots use these controls to adjust the plane's flaps, which are extensions on the wings, and the rudder, which is a movable part of the tail. These help maneuver the aircraft, controlling its direction and altitude. The tail of the plane, with its vertical stabilizer and horizontal stabilizers, helps maintain stability and control during flight. Each part of the plane, from the largest to the smallest, plays a crucial role in ensuring a safe and successful flight. It's a testament to human ingenuity how these different components work together in perfect harmony. Section 5. Aviation connecting our world. Understanding how airplanes fly is not just about satisfying our curiosity. Aviation plays a vital role in our modern world. It connects people across continents, enabling global travel and trade. It allows for the swift transportation of goods and services, aiding in economic growth and development. Moreover, aviation plays a crucial role in emergencies, facilitating medical deliveries, disaster relief efforts, and search and rescue operations. As our reliance on aviation continues to grow, understanding its basic principles becomes increasingly important. From the earliest dreamers who yearn to touch the sky to the engineers and pilots who make flight possible, aviation represents the human spirit of innovation and exploration. By grasping the fundamentals of flight, we gain a deeper appreciation for this marvel of engineering and its impact on our world.